Hi, Abigail. Hi. Do you want to get some lunch? Do you want to get some lunch? Yeah? Yeah? You want to get some lunch? Sydney, you want some lunch? Want to go downstairs to get some lunch? Who wants lunch? Me. Let's go get some lunch, okay? Alright. Say okay, Dad. Say okay, Dada.